This is such a nice set of filters. It came with this little hook, so you can use this to get it off of the roller, all the hair, which is always on mine. You can use this to get all the hair off your rollers. And these filters are really good quality. I've never had any issues with them. They go on, they click just fine. I like having a couple extras, so then before I rinse it off, I can have one on there while I'm using it, and then have one, you know, somewhere in that cleaning process. And I like to change them out every 2 to 3 days. I vacuum a lot. I have carpet and 2 stories, so my vacuum is always going. So I like to have the option of having multiple that I can cycle out without having to worry whether or not one of them is clean. These are really good quality. I haven't noticed anything wrong with them. You can see this one's a little bit dirty. It needs a little bit of cleaning in there, but I do, before I water it out, I do like to use our air pressure thing and blow a lot of the dust out, and it definitely helps to keep it a little bit cleaner. But yeah, overall, these are really good quality filters. I love them, and they came with this little hair getter offer thing, which is cool. I've never used this side though, but I use this part.